What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is my first vlog. We're going to Twisted River Off-Road Park in Crosby. It's right next to Extreme. So I've never been. We're gonna see how it is. We're meeting a group up there. They got a bunch of big razors and stuff. So we're bringing old Johnny Boy's Grizzly. We'll see what it can do. I mean, it floats, so it's kind of cool. It's not on any meats or anything, but
cold outside.
it's not that bad. It's perfect riding weather. It's perfect riding
weather. If you're a girl and you're like me and you get cold, it's cold outside when it's 60 degrees.
That's alright. She got her some new waders, gator waders. You'll be alright. 60 degrees is pretty good riding weather when you throw some waders on and get boggy. So we'll see how it is. Get some good footage, and we just filled up the cooler, got some twisters, and we're ready to go. So got some good footage coming your way. All right, you're good. Go ahead. It'll eat better this time, I promise you. Get all the way off it, push it.
People in the front probably have to like pull them forward.
It's not good, bud.
They're high centered.
Yeah, no shit. Give us some gas, Austin. Stuck once again. What do you have to say for yourself?
I like the cinder.
Yeah. All right. Well, see if you can send her right out of there, bud.
Hey, come on.
What did you do? Go over there. You went across that hill?
What?
You went across that hill?
Yeah, I went all the way through all that shit and everything. Got stuck right here. I should have just went straight.
All right. Well, Twisted River Ranch is in the books. How'd you like it?
It was fun. It was cold.
It was all right. I give it like a 6 out of 10. It was mainly just trails the entire time. I didn't really like that part of it, but it wasn't too bad. It was a little cold there at the end. It got a little chilly, but now we're at Whataburger. We're warmed up with the heater now. About to get a patty melt and
Large fry.
yeah, large fry too. But it was all right.